Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how to improve your front and back cam using GCAM. Watch the whole video to see the differences between stock camera versus GCAM. I will also show you which app you should download and how to fix green images problem in the app. So let's start. First, let's download the application. I'll provide the link in the description box down below. Click this link to start downloading GCAM. Wait for the download to finish and then install it. After installation, look for the camera icon that looks similar from stock camera and then open it. Now that you have already installed GCAM, let's go ahead and fix some issue you will encounter later on as you use it. To fix this green tint problem, all you have to do is turn on Google AWB and that's it. Here are some samples of stock cam versus GCAM. Left is the stock camera while the right is from GCAM. Is this a huge improvement for you guys? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see the gaming capabilities of this phone, subscribe now and go to my channel and check the gaming test using this mobile. That's all for today's video guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.